Alright, so now talking about the Eight of Wands. The Eight of Wands represents the idea of motion and momentum, movement in general. Sometimes if you pull this in a reading, it can actually represent the idea of physically moving from one place to another. Actually, many times when I've pulled this card, it is indicating that somebody is planning to move into a new house somewhere else. It can also represent the idea of momentum behind a project or whatever situation that you might be referring to when you pull this in a reading. Because very often if you're asking a specific question, then you have to take that into consideration and kind of consider the context of the reading. So it always depends on where the card shows up and in what context it shows up in reference to your question. But this one's very simple. It has to do with movement. We've kind of got some sticks flying through the air. On one level, this does represent the idea of the emotion of feeling like things are just moving too quickly, or just like that there's things that are out of your control. But most often I find that this represents in readings that somebody is moving, or at least that there is a lot of momentum and fast movement behind something that's going on in their life. So it's a very fast moving, continuous moving energy that has a lot of momentum. So it's a very simple card here. That's a general overview of this one. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you're following along, and I'll see you in the next video for the Nine of Wands.